Hello, you're watching Hexus TV and we're here at CES 2010 and I'm talking to Ninnis from Lenovo, who's going to take us through some of the many new launches that have happened from Lenovo. Right now we're looking at the Skylight, which is the very first Smartbook. Do you want to tell us a bit about that?
Sure, so this is Lenovo's first Smartbook. It's actually one of the industry's first Smartbooks.
Yep.
It's called the Lenovo Skylight. We're actually very proud of it and announcing it here at CES. The first thing you'll notice is it's different. It's beautiful, it's sleek, there's no hinges, no screws, no stickers. Really wanted it to be a beautiful design. It's also very lightweight.
Yeah,
it's under 10 pounds.
Under
2 pounds, sorry. 10 pounds.
Nearly threw it into the ceiling, it's so light.
Yeah, literally, it's about 1.95 pounds. Very lightweight, meant to be easy to throw into a bag or a purse. I like to always pull out my smartphone because it's also very thin. It's almost the same thickness as a BlackBerry or any other smartphone. So we're really proud about the design and making it very portable. One thing also that you'll notice is it has a 10-inch HD screen. This is a full 1280 by 720p screen. Nice size keyboard, so your fingers don't hurt by using the typing on this device. And something that's really unique about it is it's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon ARM processor. So it's got 3G and Wi-Fi integrated. And it's got long battery life, so over 10 hours of real battery life. And that's not just an estimate. That's truly being connected and using the device 10 hours. You can watch 2 movies back to back on a plane. You can have more than 10 hours if you just use it lightly during the week. So our goal was take this with you during the day, plug it in overnight, and don't worry about the power cord. And we're really happy with what came out with that. It's great. This is probably the most unique thing about this device. If you take a look at the UI, we built this interface custom at Lenovo over open source code, but our goal was to build it so it's easy for the customers and our users to get to the web and their favorite applications. So it's based on live web gadgets. So you'll see there's Gmail, YouTube, Facebook. Each of these gadgets is live and connecting to the web. So once you've signed in, it's constantly refreshing. So you know when there's a new Gmail, you know when there's a new Facebook poke. You can update your Twitter all at the same time. And then if you want to actually open one of the gadgets and go to the web, you can. Just click on it once, you get a full web page browser, and you can go online using Firefox and go to your Gmail inbox. So it's really flexible in terms of the actual way you experience the web. So you have your nice, quick 6-space mode, and you have a full web browser. So we kind of think of it as the best of both worlds between a smartphone and a netbook.
Hence the name.
Yeah, exactly, Smartbook. You've got, Smartbook is a new category that we love being one of the first in because Lenovo loves being an innovator. So think about it as the connectivity and battery life of a phone mixed with the nice screen size, keyboard, and browsing of a netbook. And that brings the best of both worlds.
And I gather another aspect of the user experience that's more similar to phones than a notebook is that you don't expect to turn it off during the day at all. You just shut the lid and open it up, but you're not shutting down, booting up, anything like that. Is that right?
Yes, yeah. So we've made it to where it's instant on and off, and it's also got technology where you can put it on standby and close the lid and you're fine during the day. There's no worry about having to do a full shutdown every time. So yes, we've definitely done some great good work because of the processor and the battery life to make it just not a hassle for users to have it all day. You don't want to worry about it. So like a phone, it can last you on standby, or you can use it during the day and just plug it in at night.
Okay. Now, on one level, this looks like just quite a modern netbook. But as we know, netbooks run on Intel's Atom platform, whereas this is running on Qualcomm's Snapdragon. Why would someone buy this instead of a netbook?
Well, there are a couple of big things on this device that are benefits over netbooks. The first thing, the connectivity of being integrated. 3G and Wi-Fi on the device. There's no extra card to plug in. You have it integrated with your device. So you can choose to use it as Wi-Fi only, or you can get a contract with a 3G carrier and get your data plan. Also battery life. We're really proud of having 10 hours of real battery or more. So with a netbook today, you can't get a full 10 hours. And these type of devices now that are emerging give you that kind of battery life, and that's a big plus. Plus the full HD screen, the nice size keyboard, and the fact that it's got this custom interface. Big differences over netbooks. You can't find this type of interface anywhere. We're really proud of that.
Well, that makes me think of one more thing before we move on. It's not running Windows, is it? It's running on a sort of Linux-based, but your design operating system. Don't you think that's going to put a lot of people off?
We don't think so. So we found that people actually there's a core group of customers that really want access to the web and their apps and their friends, and they don't need a full PC. So we think people will keep a phone. Some people will have a computer at home. We don't think this is going to replace any of those devices, but we do think this might be a great companion device. So folks that just when they're traveling, they want to get Facebook, they want webmail, they want to watch movies and listen to music, this is the device. If they're not going to be working on their trips and needing a full PC, this solves that niche. And we really think there's a big market, for sure in the US and worldwide, for people that just want to have connection to the web, be socially connected to their friends. And there's that generation that we know of now that is really socially connected. You know, social networking, the web is important to them.
Definitely.
Those are the folks that love this. They don't need to be working all the time like you and me. You know, so we think there's a great market for that fits right in between netbooks and smartphones.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much. Shall we look at the next thing?
Thank you.
Thank you.